RBS Business Research Academy welcomes you in the lecture number 1 on the newly started series on the SmartPLS-4. Dear friends, at least 1 year ago, the SmartPLS-4 was introduced, and so many different options and features have been introduced in this SmartPLS-4. So that's why I have started a series of lectures on the SmartPLS-4, and this is the first lecture of this series. So let's start our video. But before this one, my name is Dr. Rahimbak Sumru, and I'm working as a professor at Shabati University, Pakistan. So here you're looking, first of all, the Smart PLS was released on the August 22, 2022. So what's new thing is in the Smart PLS-4. So it has written on its website that the several notable new features have been introduced in the Smart PLS-4, and along with these features, several videos, video tutorials, and the research papers have also been introduced along with the Smart PLS-4 on its website. Dear friends, a very important feature which has been added in the SmartPLS-4, that is the CB-SEM. You know about that there are the two type of the approaches of the statistical equation modeling. One is the CB-SEM, covariance based statistical equation modeling, and another is the CB and the VB-SEM, variance based statistical equation modeling. So already the SmartPLS was working on the VB-SEM, but then this time in the SmartPLS-4, this new feature has been added in this one. So that's why, so it is like MOS. So now whatever work, the work which we're doing in the MOS, now same work we can also work in the SmartPLS-4 by introducing the CB-SEM option or technique in the SmartPLS-4. So in this one, you can create the model, you can estimate the model, and you can also evaluate the model. So in order to evaluate model, we need the different goodness of fit indices. So all these goodness of fit indices are also available in the SmartPLS-4, like the AGFI, GFI, TLI, NI, RAMSI. So all these options are available in the in this feature in the SmartPLS-4. So along with the CB-SEM, you can also perform the confirmatory fit analysis. If you are working on SmartPLS-4, then literally there is no need of the of using the MOS. So here you're looking, this is a CB-SEM model which I developed in the by using this feature, CB-SEM feature in SmartPLS-4, and here you're looking at that these are the covariance. We said that now this independent variable I have connected with this variable with the double edge arrow. So now the same work we were doing, so all the independent variables will connecting with each other, and then so now the same I have done here in this one. Dear friends, another important feature is redesigned GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. So now this is a fundamentally renewed, optimized graphical user interface. So now SmartPLS says that we are working since a few years to introduce a new, fundamentally changed GUI with the latest technology. So we can work for the long-term time in the future. So now this is the GUI in the SmartPLS-4, where the different options you are looking here, and then you are also looking these type of the buttons are there. So now this is the user interface when you start to work on the SmartPLS-4. In this regard, this is the SmartPLS-4 3 GUI where you are working almost the same options you are looking here. Okay, but now see the final result, these are hyperlinks, these are given at the end, like in the previously these hyperlinks are given over here. When you click it, then the another button will appear, and through this one you can reach on these hyperlinks. And then another thing is improved performance. The performance drastically has been improved by the SmartPLS, especially when you are working on the bootstrapping and premix. So now when we in the three, when we working on the bootstrapping, it was taking too much time to complete the bootstrapping process. So now this process has become much faster in the SmartPLS-4. Another good option is there. Then now we have the multiple options to export the data or to attach the different type of the data file with the SmartPLS-4. Previously, we were only able to attach the CSV file with the a SmartPLS-4, but now they have provided the more options like the Excel or SPSS. The good thing is that now you can also attach the SPSS file with the SmartPLS-4. So here you're looking at this end here. So now these options are looking here, all CSV, TXT, XLS, XLS, and .scv. So all these options, there is a file types you can attach easily with the SmartPLS-4. So this is a very good feature which they have added in the SmartPLS-4. In the SmartPLS-3, so when we were working on the higher output construct, we were required to take the score from the SmartPLS software, and then we were opening our base file, data file, and then we were copying those score values in our base model, and then we were attaching again the same file with our model, and then we were able to work on the higher order construct. But now this issue has been resolved, and in the SmartPLS-4, the automatically the option will appear over there, and with this option you can also create the score for your higher order construct, and immediately you can work on the 2 or 3 data file. For example, here you're looking here. So this is the this data set which has been created by the SmartPLS software. So where now you're looking derived from the PLS results. Then now these are the score results whenever you are working in the higher order construct, and this is your base file which on which you are working. So now with the help of the score, now you have another data file. So now at the same time you can work on the data file number 1 and data file number 2. When you click this option, select the data file, you will get these types of 2 options are there on any one data file you can attach with this model. So how to reach on this one? So now create data file. So in order to get a score of your higher order construct, just you are required to click this create data file, and this window will appear over here where you will the manifest variable scores are available, latent variable scores are available, outer model score, inner model score, and other like the demographic variable scores are also available. So just if whatever you want, just put the check inside this one, and then press the button create, and then these scores are like the additional file like this one will be created by the SmartPLS automatically. And for this purpose, in the SmartPLS-4, you are not required to go back to your Excel file. And then another good option is a side-by-side comparison. Now you can compare your results side by side. You're looking here in this one. This is a one model, and this model has been taken from this model. So now and you can compare easily within the one window by bifurcating this window into the 2 ones. So now the results can be compared easily with this new feature which has been introduced in the SmartPLS-4. So another one is this is the save the score. When you save the score, what will happen? It will give you one option compare. So where you can compare the two results of these 2 ones. So now if you want to compare one variable with the rest of the variable of your model, you can also compare through this feature in the SmartPLS-4. And then you can save your reports with easily. Just press this button save, and it will save your reports. Okay, and then you can open it later on, and then even you can export these to the Excel or to the website. These 2 options are already, these 2 options were available in the SmartPLS-3, but now these 2 are also available here along with the create a new file when you are working on the higher order construct. So new feature is a customized chart. So it's a very wonderful feature is there. So where you can change the color of the chart, you can change the size of the dots, you can also change the size of the text, you can also add more text, you can also delete the unnecessary text from this one. And then how to reach on this one, this here total effect histogram, and then if you click anyone, you will get this type of histogram. And if you want to edit it, then this option is available, customize this chart. You reach on these options, several options are given here, and according to your easiness you can change the options. Next one is many new methods. Different methods have been introduced in this one. These methods were not available in the SmartPLS-3. The first one is in order to check the endogeneity Now, the Geisen-Kapula approach is available, and necessary condition analysis (NCA) is also available in this one. And the most very important is a regression. So, what happened that in order to compute the regression, so we were using the SPSS. So in now this feature has been also introduced in SmartPLS-4, so where you can also compute the regression in this one. So what happened then means when we were computing the regression in the in the SPSS, we were getting the result in the tabular form. But the good thing is that in this one, not only you will get the result in the tabular form, but also you will get results in in the shape of the graph. A graph will appear, so where you can easily observe the impact of the independent variable on the dependent variable. That's a very good feature which is available in the SmartPLS-4. Another feature that's about the path analysis and the process. So now, if you remember about the Professor Andrew Heiss, he has developed this type of the process feature, which previously we were downloading from his website, and then we were adding into the in the spaces software, and then we were able to work on the conditional direct, indirect, or mediation or moderation in the species. Now the same features is also available in the SmartPLS-3. And then another is a multiple moderation. So now you can also moderate uh, three in-way interactions in the software. Along with this one, accounting for scale type of the variable in most algorithm, strain right, unstrained right, mean center PLS analysis is also available in the SmartPLS-4. So now these are the new techniques which are available in the SmartPLS-4. And then if you how to reach on this one now, these are the conformity trot analysis, this is EPMA, this is PLS predict. In the Smart PLS 3, we were working in the blind folding. So now blind folding has been abundant in the Smart PLS 4, and instead of blind folding, PLS predict has been introduced in this one. And along this one, the prediction oriented segmentation fee mix is also available, bootstrapping is also, and permutation bootstrapping is also available. And now, uh, after attaching the data, when you want to create the model, now the software will ask is either you want to work on the PLS-SEM, regression, process, or CB-SEM. So now these three new features have been introduced in the SmartPLS-4, and the SmartPLS-3, these three new options were not available. And many new examples have been added, like logistic regression model, and then NCA. So now if you are understand all these concepts, then you can install anyone and you can work on this one in order to clear your ideas regarding the use of these type of the models. And then the 32-bit support is big. So in the SmartPLS-3, this was abandoned due to the security reasons, security and technological reasons by the SmartPLS authorities. But now in the SmartPLS-4, this option has big, and now you can also work on the Windows. And now, if your Windows is a 32-bit, even though you can enjoy the features of this SmartPLS-4. So here, how you can reach on the software. So few options are available. The first one is a free trial. So now free trial is available for the 30 days. And after the end of the free trial, then you will required to buy this software. So if you want to buy this software, so different options are available to buy this software. The good thing is that if you are belonging to the academia, then you can have a 50% discount if you want to buy this software. And then how to get the free trial. So now the just step number one is to download, install, and then it will require a working email from you, and then you have to provide this email, and then it will send you a confirmation email, and then you can enjoy all the features of this software for the next 30 days. And after the end of the 30 days, if you want to decide to upgrade this software, then you can purchase the license at the end. Thank you very much for watching this video till end, and I hope that this video has provided you with the much needed information regarding the new features which are available in the SmartPLS 4. Thank you for watching.